Presenting our best puppy pads for pet. Puppy pads for pet training pads with odor eliminates. This product can be used for house training puppies or assisting senior dog. Our puppy pads made from high-quality medical-grade products. Pet training pads are specially designed to aid in housebreaking puppies and managing indoor pet needs. The pads typically feature several layers, including a top layer that quickly absorbs liquid, a middle layer that traps moisture, and a waterproof backing to prevent leaks. Pads are often made from pet-safe materials, ensuring that they are safe for your furry friends. Many pads are infused with odor-neutralizing agents that help eliminate unpleasant smells, keeping your home fresh. They serve as an effective tool for potty training puppies, helping them learn where to go. Also beneficial for older pets or those with mobility issues, providing a comfortable and accessible option. The pads can hold a significant amount of moisture, reducing the need for frequent changes. For fast-drying surface, the top layer dries quickly to minimize mess and encourage pets to use the pads. Ideal for apartment living or during inclement weather, the pads provide a reliable indoor bathroom solution. They feature a quick absorbing surface to keep your space clean and fresh, while the leak-proof backing protects floors. Buy one pack of 10 pieces puppy pads, only $5.49. Easy to pack and use during travel, these pads can help maintain hygiene in unfamiliar environments. With a super absorbent core that can lock in moisture by instantly absorbing and turning liquid into gel, each training pad can hold up to 3 cups of water. This training pad not only can absorb odor and pet urine, but also help protect your expensive hardwood and carpet. Pads are featured with plastic back and border to prevent any leaking. When your puppy wants to go to the bathroom, show your puppy where they should go. Pets should be rewarded sometimes when they use the training mat correctly. Once your puppy did it right, do not change the position of the puppy pad. Overall, these training pads are a practical and hygienic solution for pet, combining absorbency, odor control, and convenience. So keep your pet healthy and hygienic. And the end. Leave us your feedback. Thanks for watching this video.